Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to listen to Spotify music while playing Roblox on iPhone. First, open Shortcuts on your iPhone. Next, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Now enter a name for the shortcut, such as play or pause. Then tap on Add Action. Here, search for play and select it. Next, go back to your home screen and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now tap on Touch. Here, tap on Assistive Touch. Turn on the toggle for Assistive Touch. After that, scroll down and tap on Double Tap. You will see the shortcut you created earlier. Play or pause. Select this shortcut. Now go back to your home screen and open Shopify. Finally, start playing any music. You can now listen to Spotify music while playing Roblox on your iPhone. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.